on a really nice walk over at Lake Windsor. There it is behind me. It's really pretty out today, even though it's a little cloudy, overcast, but overall it looks really nice. I think it took me 3 times around to almost hit a mile. No, almost a mile and a half. Not the lake, but there's this, you can kind of see behind me a road. It goes this way. It goes up there. It goes all the way around. But I think almost 4 times around is what I feel like doing right now. But it is really pretty, and I sat at the dock overlooking the water for a little while. And let me show you the view. So pretty. Just sprinkling a little today, but not really anything too much. So